So our final project for this round is from Jim Resnick at University of Florida, and Jim has looked for a long time at the PWS region, understands the genetics really well, and is looking at this problem of genetic therapy for PWS. Can we turn the maternal genes on? If you'll recall, all individuals with PWS, whether they have deletion or whether they have imprinting in UPD, have the PWS genes sitting there. They're just turned off. So in thinking about genetic therapy, we have some basic questions like, when do we need to turn those on? And you can hear Dr. Resnick talk about some of those questions and about this project in the fireside chat from last year's meeting. But this project, it's going into year 2. And it's addressing, a couple of key questions. If we're going to do genetic therapy, when would we have to do it? Would we have to do it, before a child is born? Would it work in an adult? Would it have to be during the infancy? Those are really important questions as we move forward towards doing gene therapy. And so in year 1, Dr. Resnick developed a mouse model that allows the genes to be turned on precisely at different times and in different cells. So that's been established, and now in year 2, he's going to be using this mouse model to turn the genes on and see what the consequences are to really get at those questions. So this is an experienced investigator who has a deep understanding of the region. This is a new mouse model that will help scientists understand when gene therapy would have to take place, in what cells gene therapy would have to take place, if it's going to have an impact on individuals with PWS. Of course, this is in the mouse for now, but the idea is to set the stage for human studies. So this will establish the feasibility of genetic therapy for PWS, including the expected effects if you turn the genes on at different points during development.